My Namibia, my greatest pride, our country, our motherland, in south and west of Africa, distinguished by the Namibia desert, along it is Atlantic Ocean coast, and many beautiful natural resources. With mining, agriculture, fishing industry, my Namibia gives free education that sharpens the mind of the future generation. My Namibia, my motherland, my Namibia, the name I love. My Namibia, my culture, my pride. My Namibia, the land of the brave, our sweet land of liberty. My Namibia, my motherland. My Namibia, our country. My Namibia, my motherland. The driest country in sub-Saharan Africa, between the Namibian Kalahari Desert, united we stand as all Namibians, defending our peace, our rebirth, our unity, and many beautiful natural resources like mining, agriculture, fishing industry. My Namibia gives free education that sharpens the mind of the future generation. My Namibia, my motherland. My Namibia, the name I love. My Namibia, my culture, my pride. My Namibia, the land of the brave, our sweet land of liberty. My Namibia, my motherland. My Namibia, our country.